What is the best way to mock external dependencies? Have you ever faced a situation where your code works perfectly, but when it interacts with an external system, it fails? This is where mocking external dependencies comes into play. Let's break down how to do this effectively. The best way to mock external dependencies is to isolate the code you want to test. Instead of using actual external systems like databases or application programming interfaces, you replace them with mock objects. These mock objects simulate the behavior of real systems, allowing you to focus on your application logic without the unpredictability of real external components. Start by designing your code to clearly separate concerns. One effective technique is dependency injection. This means passing external dependencies into your code as parameters, rather than hard-coding them. By doing this, you create seams in your code. These seams make it easy to substitute real dependencies with mock objects during testing. When you are mocking, only replace the external parts that are necessary for your test. Keep your mocks simple and focused. For instance, if your code interacts with a database, use a mocking framework to create a fake database object. This fake object can return predefined results or simulate errors, which helps you test how your code behaves in different scenarios. If your code makes HTTP requests, there are tools available that can mock these requests and responses. This allows you to test how your code handles various outcomes, such as success, failure, or timeouts, without making actual network calls. However, use mocking thoughtfully. Overusing mocks can lead to tests that are fragile and do not accurately reflect real-world behavior. It is best to complement your unit tests with integration tests. These tests run against real or fake services in a controlled environment to ensure that all components work together correctly. Here are some practical steps to effectively mock external dependencies. First, separate commands, which change state, from queries, which return data. This makes mocking easier. Second, always use dependency injection to pass in external dependencies. This enables easy substitution with mocks. Third, only mock external dependencies and not the internal logic of the class you are testing. Keep your mock objects simple and predictable, returning controlled data or errors to test various scenarios. Additionally, consider writing your tests before you write your code. This approach helps you design for testability and ensures your code can be easily mocked. Lastly, regularly review and refactor your tests to maintain clarity and reliability. By following these practices, you can ensure your tests are fast and focused on the logic you want to verify. This is essential for reproducing and fixing bugs effectively during debugging. Mocking external dependencies in this way allows you to master the fundamentals of debugging, enabling you to reproduce bugs in a controlled environment without the unpredictability of real external systems.